Hey guys, look what I just got in the mail. I got a delivery from Lara Farms and Julian. These are hug plums or ciruelas and they're delicious. You can get yours at Lara Farms and he ships them out to you. So look at these things. Let me tell you what. These are huge. Man, these are like ciruelas or hog plums on steroids or something. Wow. These are really big. Look at that. Once I get on my tree, I got the yellow type, but they're usually like half that size. So these are great. Anyway, just wanted to show you what they look like, and they're, I don't even know how to describe the taste 100%. It's kind of like sweet with a little bit of tart, kind of a mixture. But it tastes really good. It tastes really good. You got to try them out, and I'm pretty sure you won't be disappointed. Alright guys, thanks for watching. God bless.